Okay, so I'm trying this again. It is, oh, hold on. It is the first gun review. It's the ASP. What I get that's new? Nothing? Okay, so yeah, you see I did that glitch was I got weird, and you see I attack knife. And we're doing the ASP, and you can see the damage stuff right there. This is trying to do a better version than I did last night. I was doing it last night, and I was really tired, and my voice wasn't all clear, so here we go, we're trying again. So, again, let me turn the brightness down. Okay, you guys can see that very well. I'm actually... I don't know why it's like that. Oh yeah, I forgot my brightness. Okay. So. Let's turn this all the way up so you guys can hear it. So I'll be reviewing and gameplaying at the exact same time. Because it's kind of hard to review game stuff when you're playing it, and I'm using YouTube Capture for this. So, so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope people subscribe and stuff, because this is gonna be my first gun review. I hope it doesn't kick me out. I hope it just... Alright. Okay, so I think, just as I imagined, 2 people on the other team. And the ASP has very, very low damage, as we all know. Oh, there's first kill. Alright, so the ASP has very, very, very low damage, as everyone knows that. But as you just saw, I got a kill off for like 3 bullets. It was either 3 or 4 bullets right there. Okay, yeah, you see, it took a while to kill that guy because my accuracy wasn't right. But other than that, I'm pretty sure that... Okay, you see, that didn't even kill him. So, in this game, the damage levels and stuff are messed up. So it's not always accurate. Don't expect it to be accurate. Dang it. Okay, don't expect it to be accurate. Like always, it's not always accurate. Yeah, let me just get this out real quick, guys. Okay, so they both killed each other. That dude's gonna spawn over there by me. So we're both gonna be defending this care package right here. Yeah, see the notifications, just ignore them. I'll just get the... Oh crap, is it a spy plane? It's not that good, but I'll just get it. This dude better not leave. It took me forever to kind of set this up, because I got my iPod would not stand. Like, it wouldn't stand by itself. So I had to use one of my shoelaces to actually make it stand. And dang. Alright, so at least I got that mortar. Alright, so there, you see I got a kill off of it, and I will actually be reviewing the AK next. The AK-74. Nope, I'll be starting with pistols. I forgot what I was doing. Okay. That guy just ran off. I don't know where he went. Oh, fuck. I thought it was him. Oh. Get back over here. I wasn't done with you. Alright. So, the ASP is, like, the accuracy the accuracy on it is not that. Like it kill. You see it can kill from a distance. Oh, crap. Quick fact about the AK-74U. In this game, it is way better than the other game it's in. This is Call of Duty Black Ops, and there's a bouncing buddy right there. It will not kill me, and that one did. I feel dumb. But let's keep going. Now back to ASP, and I'm gonna use this. I got another mortar? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh no, I'm right there. Alright, so there we go. Got a mortar kill. And another thing about the ASP is that the reloading time is slow. If I didn't have this, okay, so here's what I'll do. Nope. Change class. That has sleight of hand. I think all my classes have sleight of hand, so I'll have to use one of these. I'll just use that one. Now let's do this. No. Okay, I got a thought glass. So I have to use this. Okay. So if I don't have sleight of hand, the reloading. Oh. It's just spawned me right in the middle. Okay, so look, if I don't have sleight of hand, the reloading time is faster. No, I don't want that. It is faster than normal. And this. Okay, so it is. Oh, I forgot to change my class. Use a spaz one. Uh-oh. Sorry about all the moving, it's just I'm getting very uncomfortable. Take that. No, the recoil! Okay, as you see, the recoil on the ASP is not that much. There's like no recoil at all. And uh-oh, I see you. Thanks for killing my kill. Freaking made me commit suicide. Okay. I forgot you can't do that with the thing, the attack knife. So let's just keep going on playing. Oh! Okay, so I got a headshot, and the headshot accuracy is not so good on this either. Got you. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Ah, sentry. Okay. That wasn't a good. No. Dang it. Okay. Let's back that up. Oh, no, that's not right. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, my first gun review. I will actually possibly do one later in the game on the CC75. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching.